Hello everyone, and welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to allow app permissions on Windows 10, so you can control which apps can access features like your camera, microphone, and location. Step 1. Right-click on the Windows Start button. This will open a menu where you can access important settings for your computer quickly, and it's the first step to managing your app permissions easily. Step 2. Select Settings from the menu. The Settings app is where Windows organizes all the important system options, and it's where we can manage privacy and app controls. Step 3. On the left side of the Settings window, select Privacy. This section controls what information your apps can access, and it's important for keeping your personal data safe. Step 4. Click on the search box at the top and type App Permissions. This makes it easier to find the exact permission settings you want to manage without scrolling through multiple menus. Step 5. Locate the permission you want to adjust, like camera, microphone, location, notifications, or calendar. Choosing the correct permission ensures apps can only access the features you allow, keeping your device secure. Step 6. Make sure the main toggle for that permission is turned on. This activates the permission, and then you can select which apps are allowed to use it, giving you full control over your system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.